All right, so you know that feeling after you upload. The comments start rolling in. Some of them are gold, some of them are spam, some of them are just people yelling. And you sit there scrolling like it is your job trying to figure out who actually needs a reply. That is how creators burn an hour and still miss the one person asking a real question. So I built a tool for it. Comment intent sorter. You paste a comment dump or you drop in a YouTube video URL, and Gemini sorts every comment into buckets that actually matter. Reply now, praise, feedback, hate, spam, and chatter. Then it ranks the reply now pile by urgency, and it can draft a short reply starter so you are not staring at a blank box. All right, so right here, I am going to run it live with something someone would actually use. I am setting mode to paste comments. Max comment stays at 100. Then in the input field, I am pasting a messy sample, a Windows install question, a thank you, a spam followers link, a hate comment, a feature request, and another real question about Gemini keys. Now I hit sort comments. Give it a second. Gemini is reading every line, and right here, that is your output. Look at this. Reply now jumps to the top. How do I install this on Windows without Python breaking? And wait, why does Gemini need a separate key, or is YouTube enough? The summary is the punchline. Reply now to praise 1, feedback 1, hate 1, spam 1. Spam and hate are still there, but they are labeled, so you stop treating them like work. And on the install question, it even drafts a reply starter you can tweak and send. That is the whole job. Stop guessing who deserves your time. Sort first, reply second. I built this in Cursor, the Cursor AI editor. It is a free Python desktop tool you can download right now from caseybuildsit.com. Files or free tools. And you get the build prompt too, so if you want different buckets or a tighter draft voice, open that prompt in Cursor or any AI and change it. It is yours. Go grab it at caseybuildsit.com. Run your last video's comments through it and only answer the people who actually asked for help. I will catch you in the next one.